Hi, have you heard of Privyr meta ad campaigns? So we are gonna look into it today. So how this Privyr campaign works. Leads sees your ad on Instagram, then they click on the ad, then they fill your instant form. Then when they fill your instant form, you get a notification on Privyr. Then you can talk to their leads and you can see how they are and you can label them if they are qualified or disqualified. So Meta takes that signal and improve our ads. If you mark any leads as disqualified, then Meta take it as we don't want more people like this. So our campaigns include, we are in testing things right now, but I just created campaign for my client, so I thought to walk you through it. So here you go. We have created 4 campaigns today. So as this is our campaign name, Wedding Leads. Then what it is about, it is for PVR. Then today's date. The objective release campaign budget, it is 233. Then in our ad set, our target audience is going to be Reds. Our conversion location is instant form. We want them to fill the form. This is your page. We have selected this maximum number of conversion leads, not just maximum number of leads. If you select maximum number of leads, you will get so many leads. But for Privyr, we need to go with this one. If I'm not using Privyr, I would go with this one. Then your location, Ahmedabad. Always use this original audience. Turn off advantage plus audience, or you won't get many fake leads. This is age group, gender, all. This is our indicated targeting. 5 to 6 are enough. Brides, wedding dress, wedding photography, wedding videography, wedding. You can add engagements as well. Newly engaged, 3 months, 6 months, but I don't find it necessary. And this is our original setup. If you click on this recommended setup, you will again go to advantage plus. We don't want that. Let's make it's okay to have advantage plus on. Now coming to ad. In one campaign, we always have 2 ads. So right now I'm going with 1 video, 1 image. Creative is same, just format is different. This CRM, make sure you have connected Privyr in your events manager. See, Privyr is connected, and if you see the fonts, then we see how many leads we have got. Wedding leads. This is our form we are using, and we got 3 leads in that. You can also connect Google Sheet as well. So whenever you get a need, it will automatically get updated in a Google Sheet. This is our ad copy. You won't understand this. First you need to read the headline on ad. So let's see it. So here we are saying couples are planning wedding photography differently this season. Plan a wedding photography experience with us that you will be proud of. And this is our headline and sub-headline in creative. Then our body copy tells the rest of the story. Trust me, on this you will thank yourself later. We help couple design a wedding photography and all. Then our call to action tab below to start designing your wedding story. Once they click on button, learn more button, then they will get a form like this. Here is the good news. They are soon to be waiting. You are going to get the best wedding photography experience. Simply fill this form. So first question we are asking them, if you are getting married this year. If yes, then we got something special. It creates clearance. So if you wanna get married, they will say yes. Then we ask them what kind of wedding memories matter most to you. It gets them imagining. Then they see cinematic storytelling and whatever. Then what are you hoping your wedding? This is also the dream payoff questions. What style they prefer, royal and larger than life, warm or family focused. Then we ask them their budget. Let's say this is most common. Then their wedding date. Then their venue. We are asking them if they want to get a consultation and customized quotation with Shomers. With this question means we send them that. So we are supposed to call them to give them a consultation and customized package. So if we call them directly, they won't feel like it's a cold call. That's why we are writing this question. Now contact information, their name, contacts and job title as well. And then it's done. We just assure them that their information will be secured with us. When you are leaving your wedding details and we will connect soon. If they click on this let's connect now, they will directly come to our WhatsApp. If I have to show you the lead form, let's click on duplicate. This SMS verification of it is not that worth. Here are the questions. You can go with this conditional logic and all, but I don't want to do it. They are already asking so many questions. Okay, we have phone option. So this is the number of my client sales team. So they get calls if clients want to communicate instant. So as I said, This ad 1 is video and ad 2 is same creative, just image format like this. Why it's now loading Facebook free? Okay. This is how it would look on Instagram. This is the second ad image, then same format video. This is third ad. This is fourth. Oh, something is wrong here. Okay, I've added and applied video image here. And then this is fourth ad. This Privyr is new for me at least. That's why I'm testing only one campaign at a day. So right now I'm gonna launch this one 2nd February, then tomorrow 3rd February, 4th, 5th. It is working for other clients as well, but the cost per lead is little high. Let me show you the results. It is working for Harsh as well, KB Studio as well. Now I realize that I have to change my laptop. If I show you, you can see the voice. So the Privyr leads, they got 17 leads, cost per lead is 147. So you have to expect a higher cost per lead. Because in normal DM campaign, our cost per lead is 50 to 70, 80 rupees. In this account as well, our DM cost per lead is 43, 40. And we got 7k, 70 leads in last 3rd career, and now publish this one. Yeah, so it's done. If you want to know more about this Privyr structure, you can, I think you won't have any doubts. I have covered almost everything. You can rewatch this video if you didn't understand anything. If you still don't understand, then you can schedule a call with me. This is my website. You can click on any button on this website. Then you will get a link to schedule a call with me. What hell is wrong? You would have to answer some questions to schedule a call like this. What are you doing to generate leads? How many bookings you want? How many leads you can convert? What problems you are trying to solve? Your Instagram ID and your contact number. Then you can schedule a call with me. Yeah, I don't want to say it, but you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more. Thank you.